Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me FAREEDA RAFATH and I welcome all of you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 2 hijab styles that can be created within 1 minute, just 1 minute, using only one safety pin. Not even hijab pin, just a safety pin. So if you have a scarf and you have a safety pin, you're good to go. But before seeing the tutorial, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Having said that, let's watch the tutorial. Place a scarf on your head with both sides equal. Now take one side of the hijab and wrap it around your head as shown. Now make the necessary folds and adjustments and take the other side of the hijab, collect all the folds together and pin it with a safety pin. That's it. And you have all the front coverage and back coverage that is very much required with this style. Now heading on towards the second style. Now for this style, just remove the safety pin, take the larger part of the hijab, wrap it around your head and pin it back. That's it. This style is done. This style of hijab gives extra folds on your head and it looks beautiful. There's nothing to worry, you can frame your face after wrapping any hijab style according to your face shape. I always make sure that the folds are beautifully wrapped around my head so that gives a beautiful look according to my face shape. These are the 2 hijab styles that you can create in less than a minute or maybe 1 minute, but not more than that, using only one safety pin. That's it. Not even hijab pins, not even a no snap pin, nothing. With just only one sari pin, you can create this style in just a minute. What can be more easy than that? I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up to this video. Comment down, let me know how did you feel about it. Share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. Really hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. I'll be back with yet another simple and on point video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.